Good morning, and not a moment too soon. It's an interesting idiom. I don't know if I use it a lot, but I'm using it right now to illustrate a point. And the first one is this. When you hear the expression, not a moment too soon, it sounds almost like something shows up at the last minute. I have a little more optimistic view. I think when we view the changes of the season, both in nature and ourselves, something happens not a moment too soon. Spring comes when it does. Summer turns to fall, fall into winter, and we start all over again. But year after year, we can keep our records, meticulously recording temperature and time and sunrise and sunset. But nature decides for itself when spring will occur or summer will transition into fall. Last few years since moving to where I've had a unique opportunity to observe just that in the process. The trees on my property all turn their colors in what I thought a specific order, but over the last 5 years they have changed colors and dropped their leaves completely out of order. Unique every year. Likewise, come spring, when it's time for the leaves to bud, all 5 trees transitioned into their spring foliage completely different than they did the year before. And not a moment too soon. For you see, nothing we do can hasten life as we understand it. We have the illusion of control. But it is just that, an illusion. In most cases, we are simply just responding to stimuli that has already occurred. Very little of our intentions are deliberate actions, of which we'll discuss elsewhere. So when you meditate, and you want to meditate while waiting for something and hoping that it arrives not a moment too soon, just stop, make yourself comfortable, observe your surroundings, and be present for it. Put a wonderful little Zen proverb in the description below that encapsulates the complete concept of not a moment too soon. That we must learn to ride the waves of the time that we are in, much in the way a surfer learns to read the waves and decides whether it is time to go or not go. So in the meantime, continue to practice your moments of mindfulness. Sit, be present, be still, and know.